Hello guys, today I'll be teaching you how to use Amazon SageMaker, okay? You need to basically have an AWS account to use it. Okay, get started with SageMaker. It's automatically choosing its own region as well. It's choosing US East. My account's already logged in, so I can directly go to it. And you have to also create an instance as well before you can use it. So I'll go to the domain. You can see I have not added anything. It's just basically for storage space so I can use the SageMaker. Okay, let's go to Studio. You have to use SageMaker Studio. Okay, since it's saying you have in order to use it, and here you want to use studio notebooks. Okay, so for that, let's first create a user profile. Default, later you just choose the default one. Okay, Jupyter app 3.0, there's even 1.0. Okay, we'll choose 3.0. No, you don't need an RStudio, we're doing Python. Okay, today, but you need to have a saved license basically to use RStudio here, otherwise it's mostly for Python. I know, or for, okay, create and use a new execution role. Okay, submit, enable. Okay, it's done now. Now launch Studio. So we can see it has now opened the Jupyter Lab interface. You can import data directly over here, and you can directly start a notebook if you want. Or let's create a notebook. Okay, open launcher, create notebook. Terminal and console are over here. Starting notebook kernel. So, and if you want to do automated machine learning, it's right here. Okay, and notebook jobs basically are the number of notebooks you're actually using over here within this interface. So it keeps a calculation amongst all of that to make sure that how much computing power you're consuming, okay? Because they have to, since they are catering to multiple people at the same time. Let's say x equals 4, print x works. And it's already using Python 3, so it should work. Right now the kernel is starting, so it takes a while. So now that we've seen the loading is done, so the code has activated. So right now X is not defined, you can finally do it. It's actually because I put a starting capital X, I put a small x here, so I can't read it. So yeah, bingo. So that's how you basically use Jupyter Notebooks with Amazon SageMaker. Hope this helps. Those who have never used Amazon SageMaker, this is a good opportunity to use it. It's really strong and fast.